So we were brought out to Avro Park in New York today to rehab a client's sewer line. They were having backups and some severely scaled up pipe. We used chains with carbide teeth on them to rip the scaling off the pipe, bring it back out to original diameter to prepare it for a liner. In doing so, the pipe is opened wide open and install liner. So the nice thing about using the UV resin, it sets off very quickly. Inside the pipe, we've got a cook time about 10 minutes or so. You can actually take some of this stuff, drop it outside in 3.5 minutes. It's hard as a rock. The cleaning process was completed. Then we took measurements for the length of our liner, and we chose a pull-in-place method over a UV inversion method in this case because it's a short shot. From there, we take the liner, load it onto our packer, pull the packer into the pipe, get it right about where we need it, and then start our inflation process. Call it a 9 for today. Not perfect, but damn good.